Hey travel fam! Welcome back to another exciting adventure. You know that feeling when you're on a plane, about to land somewhere incredible, and your heart is racing with excitement, and then you realize you packed your swimsuit and your carry-on, but not your actual clothes? Yeah, that happened. Just me? Okay, maybe that's just me. But hey, it makes for a funny story, right? But hey, it wouldn't be a Kiki adventure without a little chaos, right? That's what makes it memorable. Anyway, get ready to dive into turquoise waters and ancient history because we're about to explore the most amazing islands the Mediterranean has to offer. From the stunning beaches to the rich cultural heritage, there's so much to see. From whitewashed villages perched on cliffs that look like they're straight out of a postcard, to hidden coves with water so clear you can see your future. Just kidding. Or am I? Every corner of these islands is a new discovery. This trip is all about soaking up the sun, the culture, and maybe a little too much local wine. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single moment. So, buckle up, grab your sunscreen, and maybe double-check your luggage this time, and let's explore together. It's going to be an unforgettable journey. Santorini! This island is like stepping into a postcard. The colors, the architecture, the sheer beauty of it all, it's almost surreal. Seriously, everywhere you look is another picture-perfect moment. It's like the island was designed for photographers and dreamers alike. White houses stacked on cliffs, those iconic blue dome churches, and don't even get me started on the sunsets. They are simply breathtaking. Speaking of sunsets, guys, pro tip, don't be like me, mesmerized by the sky on fire and forget your wallet at the taverna. It's easy to get lost in the moment here. Those gyros are delicious, but not empty wallet delicious. Trust me, you'll want to savor every bite without worrying about the bill. But hey, at least I got a good story out of it, right? The people you meet and the stories you share make it all worthwhile. And trust me, the stories in Santorini are as endless as the views. Every corner has a tale to tell, every vista a memory to make. From wandering through the charming streets of Oia to exploring the ancient ruins of Aphrodite, this island will steal your heart, and maybe your wallet if you're not careful. The history here is as rich as the views are stunning. Don't forget to take a donkey ride up the caldera. It's a Santorini rite of passage. It's a fun and unique way to experience the island. Just maybe hold on to your hat and your belongings. The wind can be quite strong up there. Seriously though, Santorini is pure magic. Every moment feels like a scene from a movie. The energy here is electric, the food is incredible, and the sunsets, they are the stuff of legends. Well, let's just say they're worth the price of a slightly overpriced souvenir shot glass. Every penny spent here feels like an investment in memories. Next stop, we're off to find some adventure. Santorini has set the bar high, but the journey continues. Ciao from Sicily, Bella. This Italian island is all about la dolce vita, the good life. And let me tell you, they take that seriously here. First things first, cannoli. Forget everything you think you know about cannoli because Sicilian cannoli, life-changing. Seriously, I'm considering moving here just for the dessert. But Sicily is more than just delicious food, although that's a pretty good start. We're talking stunning beaches, charming towns, and even a volcano or two. We spent our days exploring the bustling markets of Palermo, getting lost in the ancient streets of Syracuse, and soaking up the sun on the beaches of Taormina. And the people? So friendly. They welcomed us with open arms and plates piled high with pasta. What more could you ask for? Mykonos, Mykonos, Mykonos. The name itself conjures up images of sun-soaked beaches, vibrant nightlife, and endless fun. This Greek island is famous for its beaches, and let me tell you, they did not disappoint. The sand is soft, the water is clear, and the vibe is just perfect for a relaxing getaway. White sand, crystal clear water, beach bars pumping out music. It's basically paradise. You can spend your days lounging by the sea and your nights dancing under the stars. There's just one tiny problem. I may have gotten a little carried away with the whole island life thing and forgotten how to swim. Yes, amidst all the fun, I realized I hadn't been in the water for ages. Yeah, you heard that right. It was a bit of a shocker, but hey, it happens to the best of us, right? Kiki, queen of travel, forgot how to swim. It was a humbling moment, but also a funny one. I mean, who goes to a beach paradise and forgets how to swim? Good thing those beach bars have some pretty amazing cocktails. They definitely helped me laugh off my little swimming dilemma. But hey, even if I spent most of my time on Mykonos firmly planted on dry land, or at least within arm's reach of a sun lounger, I still had an absolute blast. The island has so much to offer beyond just swimming. From the iconic windmills to the picture-perfect little Venice, Mykonos is every bit as charming and chic as everyone says it is. The scenery is breathtaking and the culture is rich and inviting. Just maybe brush up on your swimming skills before you go, yeah? Trust me, it'll make your beach experience even better. Get ready for a history lesson, guys, because we're heading to Crete, the birthplace of Zeus himself. Okay, maybe not literally, but this Greek island is steeped in mythology and history. We're talking ancient ruins older than your grandma's secret cookie recipe, guys. And trust me, those recipes have been passed down for generations. We explored the Palace of Knossos, wandered through the Samaria Gorge, highly recommend comfortable shoes for that one, and soaked up the sun on the pink sands of Elafonisi Beach. And the food? Don't even get me started on the food. Fresh seafood, juicy olives, creamy cheeses. I think I gained 5 pounds just thinking about it. Crete is a place where ancient history meets modern-day charm, and I can't wait to go back. Ibiza, the White Isle, home of legendary parties, world-renowned DJs, and, well, let's just say I may have gotten a little carried away with the sangria. Okay, a lot carried away. Let's just say what happens in Ibiza stays in Ibiza, mostly because I can't remember half of it. But hey, even if you're not a party animal, or if you're like me and party a little too hard, Ibiza has something for everyone. We spent our days exploring the charming old town, relaxing on hidden coves, and soaking up the bohemian vibes. And yeah, okay, maybe we hit up a club or two, but what can I say? The music was good, the people were friendly, and the sangria was flowing. Mallorca, you had me at hola. This Spanish island is seriously stunning. We're talking turquoise waters, hidden coves, and mountains that seem to rise straight out of the sea. I swear, I took about 1 million pictures a day, and I still don't think I captured even half of its beauty. But Mallorca is more than just a pretty face. We explored the charming streets of Palma, hiked to hidden waterfalls, and even went spelunking in the Drac caves. And the food, oh my paella, the food. Fresh seafood, tapas that could feed a small army, and of course, plenty of sangria to wash it all down. Mallorca, you stole a piece of my heart, and maybe a few extra pounds from all the delicious food. I'll be back. Corsica, you wild, rugged beauty, you. This French island is not for the faint of heart. We're talking mountains that pierce the sky, hiking trails that test your limits, and a language that sounds vaguely familiar but mostly like, well, I have no idea. Seriously, I'm pretty sure I accidentally ordered horse meat instead of beef at one point. But hey, when in Corsica, right? Despite the language barrier and the occasional questionable meal, I absolutely fell in love with Corsica. We hiked to breathtaking viewpoints, swam in crystal-clear rivers, and explored charming villages perched precariously on cliffs. Corsica is a place where you can truly disconnect from the world and reconnect with nature. And maybe learn a few new French curse words along the way. Buongiorno from Sardinia, the land of turquoise waters, ancient ruins, and grandmas who can cook up a storm. Seriously, I swear every meal I had in Sardinia was at a little Nonna's house, and it was the best food I've ever had in my life. But Sardinia is more than just delicious food, although again, that's a pretty good start. We spent our days exploring hidden coves, hiking to secluded waterfalls, and marveling at the ancient nuraghi, these mysterious stone towers scattered all over the island. Sardinia is a place where time seems to stand still, where ancient traditions meet modern-day life, and where the food is so good, you'll want to pack your bags and move in with a nice Italian grandma. Don't worry, I checked, they're totally cool with it. Malta, you little charmer, you. This tiny island nation is jam-packed with history, culture, and enough charm to make your teeth ache. We're talking ancient walled cities, stunning cathedrals, and more history than you can shake a knight's sword at. We explored the streets of Valletta, wandered through the ancient city of Medina, and even took a boat trip to the Blue Grotto, a series of sea caves that will blow your mind. And the shopping? Get ready to haggle, people, because the markets in Malta are a treasure trove of souvenirs, spices, and everything in between. Just be prepared to channel your inner bargaining queen, or king. We are continuing our Mediterranean adventure in Cyprus, the birthplace of Aphrodite, the goddess of love. And let me tell you, this island is definitely easy to fall in love with. We're talking crystal clear waters, golden beaches, and ancient ruins that will make you feel like you've stepped back in time. We explored the tombs of the kings, relaxed on the beaches of Ayia Napa, and even took a dip in the sea at Aphrodite's Rock, said to be the spot where the goddess of love was born. Whether you're looking for a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or just a chance to soak up some sun and history, Cyprus has something for everyone. Just don't blame me if you fall head over heels for this charming island. Oh yes, silly me. I almost forgot to mention. I have included some great travel-related links in the description below. I have included everything from resort and hotel booking to car hire and travel insurance. I hope you find them useful. So there you have it, my friends. 10 incredible islands, countless memories, and enough funny stories to last a lifetime. From almost losing my wallet in Santorini to forgetting how to swim in Mykonos, oops! This trip was full of surprises, laughs, and unforgettable experiences. If you enjoyed this Mediterranean adventure, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more travel shenanigans, and let me know in the comments which island you're dying to visit. As for me, I'm off to pack my bags and maybe brush up on my swimming skills, ready for my next adventure. Stay tuned.